Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you 3 best free of cost screen recorder software for Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the OBS Studio. So just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as OBS Studio. And on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So you can see its official website, right? So you can see here below it's available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So if you're using any one of this operating system on your respective computer, then you can finally download and install it firstly. So I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install for your respective operating system on your respective computer. Then after that, just open or run the OBS Studio software. So on opening the OBS Studio software for the first time, you will be shown this kind of instructions, right? So here you will get some instructions like optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, optimize just for recording, I will not be streaming, I will only be using the virtual camera. So you can select any one of this. So I will keep it as default, optimize for streaming. So if you don't stream, then you can just select the second one. If you just want to screen record but you don't want to stream, then you can just choose the second one, but I will keep it as default just to give you an example. You can choose any one of these options. So after that, click on next. So here you can see a best canvas, how much canvas you can just click on next. So here you can choose some stream information. So right now I'll not select any streaming services. You can use either YouTube, Twitch, Facebook, even Twitter also, and lots more are available if you click on show all. So I'm not gonna use any one of this, so I'll just click on cancel. So right now you can see my mic volume right here. So right now I'm using a external microphone, so you can see here the volume level, how much it's showing up. So you can see here it's a black screen, right? So firstly, to set up, what you need to do, you can see here plus option to add, right? Just click on it. And now here you will see a tons of options, right? So if you want to record your screen, then what you need to do is you can see here display capture. Display capture will capture the entire screen, that is your computer screen, and if you want to capture a particular window, then you can just select these options. But right now I'm gonna select this display capture. Just click on it. Now click on OK. Now you can see here some more options. You can select your primary monitor. If you are using a dual monitor, then you can select either one of the monitor. You can see here automatic. You can select some or like Windows 10, DXZI, desktop duplications, whatever you like. I'll keep it as automatic. And you can see here one important option. If you want to capture the cursor also, then just keep it as default. So if you don't want a cursor on your screen recording, then just you can disable it. But I want a cursor to get recorded, so I'll just keep it as default. So after that, just click on OK. Now you can see here a preview, right? So it's not recording any screen, it's just a preview of your screen, right? So to start recording, what you need to do, here you can see here start recording, right? So before clicking or jumping on start recording, just let us go to settings firstly, and after that you can see here video options, right? So it's very important here one option named as output scale resolution. So right now my computer is a full HD, that is 1920 into 1080 pixels, but you can see here by default it is set only to the HD quality. So I want it to be a full HD, so I will select the maximum resolutions up to which much my computer screen supports. So I will just select this and I will just click on apply. I'll click on OK. So let us go back again to the settings. Now our video settings has been done. You can increase the FPS also, but I will keep it as 30. If you want to increase, you can increase the FPS to 60 also if you wish, depending upon your needs. So after that you can go to the output here. So here you can see recording format by default is MKB. So if you don't like MKB, if you want the MP4, then just select MP4. And here one good thing is that you can select a M3 U8, which is most commonly used by the Apple computers. So if you are in a need of M3 U8, this screen recorder also has options for you. So right now I will select an MP4, and here you can select some bitrate, also some more options, so you can highly customize everything depending upon your needs. So I will click on apply, and now if you're using an external microphone, just go to the audio. So after going to the audio, you can see a tons of options, and here you can see stereo or mono, whatever you want to set, or different levels of these channels. And the sample rate also, you can change the sample rate here. So there are tons of options. So you can see your desktop audio, right? And you can see your desktop audio too. So if you're using a external audio, you can just click on this mic or auxiliary audio, and just right now I'm using a Zoom H1 audio recorder, so you can see H1, so you can select it and click on apply. And if you don't want the desktop audio to be recorded, then you can just disable from here also, or later you can just disable from the main screen also. So once your settings all are done, just click on OK. Now you can see here, I don't want the desktop audio to get recorded. Then what you need to do is just click on this volume icon. Now you can see here close, that means it has been muted and my only external microphone will get recorded. So let us start recording by clicking on start recording. So you can see here, once you see a red circle icon and the time is being running, you can see that means it's being recorded. And here you can see a live also, but right now I'm not using a live streaming. So if you're doing a live streaming as well as recording, then you can see here live recording is also being turned on, but right now I'm just using a recording. So just minimize this window, and now keep doing whatever you like. So let us do something. Let us open applications, anything, whatever we like. Let us keep doing whatever we like. So once your screen recording is done, just click back to the applications, and you can see here stop recording. Just click on it, stop recording. So the file has been auto saved. So you might be thinking where the file is being saved, right? So before jumping to any folder, let us go back to the settings and let us go to the output. And now you can see here where your video is saved. So you can see in my case, users, my name, and video folder. So let us go to open the file manager and open the video. So you can see here. So you can see here what we have been recorded. So you can see completely it's being recorded. So this is the way how you can use this OBS screen recorder to record your screen on the respective computer, whether it's a Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. The tricks will remain the same. So definitely a very good free of cost screen recorder that you should definitely give it a try. So on the second list we have the Poco Screen. So once again, open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for the application name as Poco Screen, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see here download option, right? So this screen recorder is available only for Windows as well as Linux. So you can see here Windows or Linux only. So if you're using a Mac computers, then sadly this screen recorder is not available for the Apple Mac computers. So if you're using a Windows and Linux, then definitely you can use this application. So click on download and install on your respective Windows or Linux computer firstly. Then after that, just open or run the software. So finally you can see here the user interface of this screen recorder. So it looks little outdated. It's not it. The user interface looks little outdated, but still it will gonna do your every task that you want in your respective screen recorder. So let us quickly jump on the options here. You can see here first is the screen, that is if you want to select a full screen, or if you want to select a window or area, you can just select. You can see here marker appears. So and below you can see magnifications. You can increase the screen size also, and countdown, you can use a countdown before starting your screen recording. So on next this option you can see here microphone. So right now you can see here my external microphone is being detected. You can see here, you can choose the WS API also if you want, or you can use a direct sound also, and you can choose your external microphone. If you're using an external microphone, just enable this, so you can see here. And if you want to use a screen, if you want to use a computer inbuilt microphone, then you can use that too also. So let us use this external microphone in my case, and let us jump to the next option, that is the video format. So you can see by default the video format is MKB. So if you want a MP4, you can select it, or MOB also available. ABI WebM is also available. And you can see your video codecs. You have two options, PP8 or H264, and you can increase the quality also, everything you want to increase. And below you can see here options here also similar to the OBS Studio. Do not record mouse cursor. If you don't want a mouse cursor to get appear, then you can enable it, but if you want a mouse cursor on your screen recording, then just keep it as blank. And then let us jump to the next option, that is settings. So after your video has been recorded, it will be saved on this location. As you can see here, video file, the output screen recording video that is being saved will be on this respective folder. So you can see here some more options. So I'll not make it bored by showing each and every options. Just let us jump to timer, and there are some what are the formats it supports. So you can see your available video codecs. So on the left panel you can see here a camera option is available. Right now I don't have any camera, that is I don't have any webcam attached on my respective computer. So if you're using a webcam on your respective computer or having an inbuilt webcam, then you can use this also if you're in the need of using a webcam while you're doing a screen recording. And below you can see some options, that is like a podcast, or you can see here some more options, or report everything. So now to start using this to record your screen, after selecting all your settings, you can click your start. So you can see here when the start fades away, that means it is being starting to record. So you can see here the timer to let you know that it is started to record your screen, right? So in the format MKB, since I've selected the MKB, you can see the audio codecs what you have selected, the frame rates. So in the settings I have already shown you. So if you're not satisfied with the formats of your respective screen recording, then you can just stop it and go back to the settings and change your video codecs or formats, whatever you like. So let us do some task and let us see if it really gonna works or not. So if you once you are done, just open back this software and just click on stop. So you can see here directly a folder, or you can directly play the screen recorded video also directly by clicking on play also. Let's go to the folder firstly. So you can see here, let us open it. So finally you can see our recorded video. So you can see it's perfectly working. So this is also very good applications that you should definitely give it a try, since it's also a free of course, and it almost offers all the screen recording features that a software should have for a screen recording. So definitely a very good software that you should definitely check it out. So on the third list we have the ShareX, Chasm and QuickTime Player. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll be gonna show you ShareX, and after showing this ShareX I'll discuss about the Chasm, which is mainly available for Linux, and the QuickTime Player, which is available for the Mac computers. So firstly, just open any web browser, and in the Google search just search for ShareX if you're using a Windows computer, since this ShareX is available only for the Windows computer. So you can see on the first list its official website, just click on it. So you can see your download options. So firstly you download and install this ShareX software on your respective Windows computer. Then after that, just open or run the software. So you can see this kind of user interface, right? So you can see here on the first list capture, just click on it. Now under the capture option you will see a tons of options, but here we'll mainly focus on the screen recording, not any screen capture, right? We're gonna use this option. You can see your screen recording or screen recording in the GIF format. So you can select either screen recording or the screen recording GIF. So whichever you like, you can just select it. So here I will gonna use this screen recording, and or if you want GIF format screen recording, then you can select the second option, but I will choose the first option. I'll just click on it. Now you can see here it's showing some locations, right? Does not exist. Would you like to automatically download it? So you need to have this ffmpeg.exe, does not exist. So if it's showing you, then kindly connect your computer with the internet connections and firstly download this ffmpeg, since it is needed to start screen recording, since it does not comes preloaded with this software. So just click on yes to download it. So you need to wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading of this plugin, that is ffmpeg, is being installed on your respective computer. So have patience until the complete downloading and installing of this plugins is completed. So finally you can see the plugin ffmpeg successfully downloaded and it is being successfully installed. So now you can see the screen is auto selected, so you can see a full screen, right? So if you left mouse click system tray menu, circle like red color indications, that means ShareX is starting to record your screen. So let us do some work on our desktop screen, and once you are done with your recording, just move back and just click on here to stop. Now you can see here, do you want to upload? So you need to click on yes. So you can see here, after clicking on upload, it may show you to upload in the online, so we're not gonna upload here. So you can see here, you can just play the video. You can see what you're doing. You can see we have started recording this, right? So you might be thinking where this file is being saved. So if you don't find this video file on your respective file explorer, then just right click on it and you can see here open, right? So you can select the file or the folder. You can just click on the folder. Now it will take you to the folder where this screen recorded or the saved screen recorded video is being located. So you can see here the video, that is a screen recorded video, is located on this folder. So this is also very good free of cost screen recorder software that you should definitely give it a try. Now since I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll not be able to show you about the custom and the QuickTime Player screen recording, so I'll just give you screenshots of those two applications. So you can see here, after you install a custom, you can see this kind of user interface. So you can see here custom's user interface, and on the right side you can see here it's a QuickTime Player screen recording user interface. So a QuickTime Player comes preloaded with every Mac computer, so if it does not come preloaded, you can easily download or install it from your respective Mac app stores. So here you can see in the left side, in case of custom, which is mainly available only for the Linux, you can do a broadcast like a OBS, that is you can live stream while you are recording, that is online, you can directly show up, that is a live screen recording you can do also, or if you want offline screen recording also, it's also possible. So but sadly this is only available only for Linux, and this QuickTime Player is only available for the Mac computers. So these three are mainly for different operating system. So if you're in a need of particular software which is mainly for your respective operating system, then you can give it this three free of cost software a try. So in my opinion, you should definitely try this 3 best free of course screen recorder software for Windows, Mac and Linux computers very easily. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.